Hi, I'm Audrey Baum. I'm here with Dr. Jeffrey Rapaport, and we're discussing the 10 secrets of non-invasive body contouring. What is the most popular technique for non-invasive body contouring?
The most popular body contouring non-surgical technique is called Coolsculpting. It is a technique where the fat is drawn into a machine with a vacuum, no needles, no pain, and the fat cells crystallize, and then they slowly have a programmed death and the fat disappears. It is the highest rated technique in both satisfaction with my patients and on the internet where patients are asked to rate the different techniques.
What are the costs?
The average cost is $700 to $800. However, with the new treat to transformation technique where we can do anywhere from 6 to 8 cycles, we greatly reduce the cost of the subsequent cycles to make it more cost effective.
Are there side effects?
The most common risk is actually a side effect, which is bruising. And bruising occurs more commonly in people that are taking aspirin or other things that will make their bleeding easier. Some people report some slight discomfort while the procedure is going on. Other people, in a small percentage of cases, will report some discomfort like they've been exercising after the procedure. It is still one of the safest procedures that we have in order to remove a significant amount of fat.
Are there risks?
As with any procedure, there are risks. Coolsculpting is one of the safest procedures that are offered today. You may have a little discomfort when the procedure starts as the fat is being pulled into the suction device, but for the most part, people report very, very few side effects.
What areas can be treated?
Almost any area with fat can be treated. The most popular area for treatment is the flanks or the muffin tops, the lower and upper abdomen, and the brow roll. But now, with newer techniques, we're able to treat the inner thighs, the knees, the arms, and all of them are getting great results.
What's new in the Coolsculpting technique?
The newest thing in Coolsculpting is a technique called treat to transformation. And what does that mean, treat to transformation? What that means is that we do multiple sessions in similar areas to give a more wow effect. You're going to see a significantly larger amount of fat disappear, and you're going to see the contours improve greatly.
How long does it take to see results?
For most patients, the results of Coolsculpting are seen in about 2 months. Some people may need 3 months, some people may need 4 to 6 months. I've had one lady who said she saw it in 2 months. My particular view on this is that the softer the fat, the higher the percentage of fat cells, and the faster you're going to see a response.
Does the fat come back?
The fat does not come back. The fat cells have little crystals in them from the cooling. They die a programmed death, and they will not come back. However, if someone gains a significant amount of weight, there are still other fat cells in the area which can enlarge.
Are there any other non-surgical body contouring techniques?
There are 2 other non-invasive body sculpting techniques that I think we should mention. One is Excellis, which is a radio frequency based body sculpting that does both tightening and body contouring. And the other one is Liposonics, which is a ultrasound-based body contouring. The situation with Liposonics is that it doesn't remove as much fat. It's similar with Excellis. It doesn't remove as much fat. Liposonics is painful. Liposonics patients often need some sort of sedation in order to get the results that they want.
What are the treatment options?
We do sometimes recommend Excellis if a patient has fat with an excessive amount of loose skin. And the reason for that, and that's another little secret that I'm telling you, is when you have a lot of loose skin and you have fat, we can use the Coolsculpting to remove the fat, and we use the Axillus to remove a little more fat and also to tighten the skin in the area.